Haleiwa, baby. Haleiwa. Haleiwa? Haleiwa? Yeah, Haleiwa. Damn, are they talking to us? You know, this last couple seasons, we've kind of realized, one, how good of a wave it is at Haleiwa, and then two, you know, how critical it is to do well there. I mean, it's a high-performance big wave, and so we've been, you know, making our efforts to get back over there and surf there. You know, a lot of our friends like Keiko Bacalsco and Joel Centeo and, you know, Sean Moody, all these guys, they live right there, and so it's cool to go kind of post up with them and surf that wave, and it's actually kind of become one of my favorite waves over there.
Haleiwa is awesome. That's one of my favorite. I just love how loaded up with speed you are out there. Like when I'm looking at it, and it looks like 6 foot, and you kind of anywhere else in the world you'd be like, oh, you know, I'd ride a 6'1" out there. You know, you're on the beach, you're getting ready, and you're holding like a 6'7" or a 6'10", and it just doesn't make sense until you get in the water and you realise how fast you go on those waves, and it makes a big board feel unbelievable. Like, you know, you're on a big board, yet it's high performance, so it's got it all.
Haleiwa has a lot of faces. When it's small, you could be going left, you could be going right. You know, when it's 3 to 5 foot, it's fun and easy. And then when it gets bigger than that, it's kind of gladiator style surfing. There's a lot of current. You know, you can do barrels, you can do turns. It's high performance, so it's a challenging wave for even the best surfers in the world.